What do you think makes up a comet? The Deep Impact mission helped us find out. One spacecraft was crashed into the comet, while another took a picture of the dust and ice that was released. The outer planets consist of Jupiter, with its great size, Saturn and its many rings, icy Uranus, the blue mystery of Neptune, and the furthest out is Pluto. How do you think a satellite gets put into space? After the fuel is gone, the satellite cover comes off. Finally, the satellite opens and moves into position to go around the Earth. Even though our solar system seems big, it's only a small part of the universe. There are billions of stars. Sometimes we look to see how stars form and see if they might have solar systems of their own. Do you know how our solar system was created? It started with just a star. Then matter that was flying around the star began sticking together through gravity. That formed the planets we have. Do you know about our solar system? It's made up of planets and a star, which is called the Sun. All the planets go around the Sun in an orbit. Earth, where we live, is the third planet from the Sun. Could there be other planets like Earth in the universe? We look for planets about the same size of Earth and around the same distance from a star. If the planet has water, it may be able to support life. We're discovering new things about the solar system all the time. We found fossilized bacteria on Mars, evidence of oceans on Jupiter's moon Europa, and chemical reactions on Saturn's moon Titan. Did you know that comets contain the earliest materials in the solar system? The Stardust mission gathered particles from a comet in space using aerogel, a special material that is 99% air. Do you think the sun is hot? The sun gives us light and warmth here on Earth, but our star is not as hot as you might think. The color of the star depends on how hot it is. Do you know there are different colored stars? Hotter stars might be blue, while cooler stars could be red.
Much of the data gathered during the Galileo mission indicates that Jupiter has a complex wind in its atmosphere causing frequent storms. When the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 approached Jupiter in 1993, the Galileo spacecraft was able to see its impact on the surface. The Jupiter moons of Europa, Io, and Ganymede all have metallic cores. Pluto is the planet farthest from Earth. It's so far away that we can only see it as a fuzzy object, even when using a telescope. Jupiter's rings are formed by dust that is kicked up when meteoroids smash into the planet's 4 small inner moons. The outermost ring of Jupiter is actually 2 rings, one inside the other. Jupiter has 4 large planet-sized moons. There are 9 other smaller moons that also circle Jupiter. The planet Neptune has a blue-green atmosphere made of clouds. The look of the atmosphere changes based on its dynamic weather patterns. The Hubble telescope took this picture of Uranus. You can clearly see 4 major rings that circle the planet. This is an ultraviolet picture of the sun. The hottest areas appear white, while the darker reds show cooler temperatures. Sometimes cameras in space are black and white, so we add color to see changes. This picture is actually made up of a red, yellow, and blue image merged into one. Supernovas occur when stars explode. The effects of this explosion have been seen for long distances. This one is over 10,000 light years away. Here's one of the Mars rovers that landed on Mars and explored the surface. They are equipped with all sorts of gadgets to take pictures and analyze soil samples. The planet Saturn is famous for its rings that encircle the planet. The rings are all centered around Saturn's equator. Other planets have clouds too. These clouds are from the planet Venus. Infrared telescopes will show information on the cooler objects in space, such as small stars, extrasolar planets, and giant molecular clouds. The Sun in our solar system is an example of a star. There are many different kinds of stars in the universe. We may think that the Sun is hot, but it's actually not among the hottest stars in the universe. Planets and other objects can be formed when matter in the universe is pulled together through gravity. The Sun and the 9 planets that orbit it make up our solar system. New solar systems are still forming in the universe.